Bottle Gel 1 phase. Nail construction and extension using the no-file technique. Prepare the natural nail plate, shape, gently buff, clean, and degrease. Apply tape bond and wait approximately 30 seconds. In case of a difficult nail plate, apply primer acid. Cut the nail form and adjust to fit the nail's free edge. Apply the bottle gel onto the nail and the form. Shape the skeleton and cure for 10 seconds. Remove the nail form. Shape the nail's free edge. Remove any dust with a cotton dry swab. Apply a thin layer of gel onto the nail plate. Do not cure. Add more gel. Create the perfect apex and shape. Cure for 60 seconds. Remove any excess dispersion layer with a dry cotton swab. Finish off your plant design with a hybrid top and cure for 60 seconds. Bottle gel, a new definition of build gel.